Question 2. Luann's necklace has the number of beads shown with base 10 blocks in the picture. How many beads are in Luann's necklace? Don't worry about this other part because I don't think you had a grid to fill in, but later on we will learn how to fill this grid in, so let's not worry about it today, okay? So first I'm going to make my place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. I don't need to do anything else because I can see that I only have hundreds, tens, and ones. So that's all I'm going to make my place value chart for. So I'm going to start with my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, I'm not going to plug 14 ones here, okay? What I am going to do is I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to create another tens rod. And now I'm left with only 4 ones. Now I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not going to put 12 tens in here, so I'm going to regroup my tens and make it 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to make another 100. And I have 1, 2 left. And then how many hundreds do we have? We have 3. So 324 beads is the number of beads that were on her necklace. And when you're right, so if like here I had 14 ones, we're not going to write 2 digits in my ones place, because if you write 2 digits in your one place, that means you also have a 10, which your tens need to go in your tens place. Same thing with your tens. You're not going to write 2 digits in your tens place, because if you have 2 digits in your tens place, you have enough to make a 100, and your hundreds need to go in your hundreds place value.